Good afternoon, everyone. In today's video, our students have done a small project based on GenAI, which is used for recognizing the fingerprint using GenAI. Okay, so they will explain you what the project is.
So let me explain the empathy of this project. So in many areas like bank or college entrance examination, we forgot hall ticket and our IDs. So our project helps to recognize our fingerprint, which is uploaded, preloaded, which is preloaded in the system. It helps to recognize any fingerprint at any areas. It will help to reduce time and it's improve more about our age ratio.
I'm going to explain about the author. We use the components. The main components is the transformer. The transformer what is to forget that it is converted into a 5 volt. So the EPS board is running in a 5 volt component, 5 volt unit, and we can use the display and main is the fingerprint modeler under control for the imitation buttons.
Okay, let me explain about the working principle of this project. First, we need to place our finger in the fingerprint sensor. So, the sensor recognizes our fingerprints and sends the signal to the ESP32 module. Our fingerprint is stored in the memory of ESP32 module. We can use this control button for configure our fingerprints. The output is shown on this display. It has a transformer, as he said, which converts 240 volt into 5 volt. Once we get the fingerprint, the already stored data, both the data are configured and we can get the output signal in this display. So here mainly we used about particular AI. Saran will explain about the AI.
So as we explained the working of this project, we can implement AI through this project. There are two different types of AI. One is GAN and another one is diffusion model. In GAN particularly we can use style GAN or finger gen AI, which specifically stores fingerprints in the data. What it does is it can recognize the fingerprint even if the participant has scars or any kind of disturbance in the hand. It can recognize from the pre-stored data and it will show the correct ID proofs or anything which is stored on the data. Particularly GAN stands for General Adversarial Network and it has types of style GAN and fingerprint GAN. I already told you. Diffusion models helps to improve the texture of the image and it will enhance the picture quality which helps to improve the processing of the style GAN. That's all about the AI. For future development, we can data are stored in the cloud. It can be accessed by anyone through internet. We can create an app dedicated to this. We can enroll through this app and also we can download our ID proofs through this. How it is possible is in every phone we have fingerprint scanners built in. So we can easily enroll through this fingerprint and we can download it or we can easily operate this.
That
So let me explain the application of this project. We can implement it in the hospitals and attending areas like the college, schools, and in banks and call centers. And we can also apply this project in the voting areas, which we can easily access our ID. So our time is saved more.
Okay, let me tell about the advantages of our system. Advanced frauds can be prevented due to the implementation of AI, and also it can detect the fingerprint while your hands having dust or dirt. It will recognize our fingerprint sensor. It is affordable and scalable, and also the time consumption for this sensing element is very less while compared to the normal one. Thank you. The demonstration of our project. First, we need to enrollment our fingerprint. So my fingerprint is stored here. Let's keep it again. This is the demonstration of our project. Thank you.